Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is fractions. In this chapter we are going to learn about multiplication of fractions, multiplication of mixed fraction, reciprocal of fraction, then division of fraction and division of mixed fraction. Let's start with the topic, multiplication of fraction. To multiply fraction, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator separately. Now, let's do an example to understand it more clearly. 2 by 5 into 15 by 8. These are the two fractions that we need to multiply. So, the first step that we are going to take is take the numerator and the denominator in the one part. That is 2 into 15 upon 5 into 8. Now what we will be doing is we will be simplifying the numbers. Now we will simplify the numbers. 2 ones are and 2 fours are, 5 ones are and 5 threes are. So now what we are left with is 3 by 4. This is the product of the two fractions that are given to us. Moving to the next part, multiplication of mixed fractions. There are certain steps to clear the mixed fraction solutions. The first one is change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Multiply the improper fraction. Do not forget to change the answer to mixed fraction again. This is the rule that we should always follow to get the correct answer. Let's do this with the help of an example. There is a question that is here right in front of you. 8 2 by 6 into 3 by 2. So let's solve this. First we need to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what we will be doing is we will be multiplying 8 into 6 plus 2 divided by 6 into 3 by 2. So find out the improper fraction first. The improper fraction here will be 4 into 6 is 48 plus 2 50 by 6 into 3 by 2. So 50 into 3 by 6 into 2. Like we did for multiplying of improper fraction, we are going to do the same thing. Now what we will be doing is we will be simplifying the numbers here. So 50 and this can be gone 2 ones are and 2 25s are, 6 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So what we are left with is 25 by 2. So this is the solution, but we are not going to leave it here because our third point is still left. We have to change the number into mixed fraction. We all know that we will be dividing the number so that we get the mixed fraction here. So if we divide the number, our quotient will be 12, our remainder will be 1, and obviously our divisor is 2. So our mixed fraction will be 12 1 by 2. This is the answer. Moving to the next part, that is reciprocal of fractions. The word reciprocal means inverted or interchangeable. In mathematical term, we call this as changing the numerator and the denominator. In mathematics, reciprocal means interchanging the numerator and the denominator, as I told you earlier. So let's do certain sums so that it is becoming more clearer to you. The first question is 2 upon 7. So the reciprocal of this number will be, we will be interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Earlier the denominator was 7. Now we will make 7 as the numerator and 2 as the denominator. So this is the reciprocal. Moving to the next question, that is 6. 6 is a whole number. So how to find the reciprocal of this number? So the reciprocal of this number will be 1 upon that number. Because we all know if it is a whole number, it is 6 by 1. So we can automatically do the reciprocal of this. Another number is a mixed fraction. For doing the reciprocal of a mixed fraction, the first thing we need to keep in mind is we have to find out the improper fraction first, and then we will be moving to the reciprocal of that number. So let's find out the improper fraction. So 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4. So our improper fraction from here will be 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 4 is the improper fraction, and the reciprocal of it will be 4 by 11. I hope it is clear to everyone here. Now division of fractions. To divide fraction, we change the second fraction with its reciprocal. I'll explain this to you while we are doing the sums. Then multiply the reciprocal with the first fraction. Now what we have to do, let's do it with the help of an example. Step by step we will be learning it. So this is the question, 5 by 6 divided by 2 by 3. Now what to do? The first step was we will be changing the second fraction into its reciprocal. So second fraction here is 2 by 3. So what we will be doing is 5 by 6 into the reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. Then we have the multiplication now. We can easily find out the multiplication as we did in the multiplication of fraction. Multiply the numerator and the denominator separately. That is 5 into 3 by 6 into 2. Now what we will be doing is we will be simplifying the number. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what we are left with is 5 by 2 into 2. So 5 by 2 into 2 comes out to be 5 by 4. We are going to leave the answer as it is. Moving to the next part now. Division of mixed fractions. There are certain steps to clear this even. The first one is change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Again the same thing. Then multiply the improper fraction. Do not forget to change the mixed fraction again. Now let's do it with the help of an example. 5 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So let's find out. First we will be changing the mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 3 into an improper fraction. So 5 into 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So our improper fraction here will be 16 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Now what we will be doing is we will be changing the second fraction into its reciprocal. So 2 by 3 we will be finding out the reciprocal of it. So 16 by 3 into 3 by 2. Then we will be simplifying the numbers here. 3 ones are 3 ones are, it's gone. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So what we are left with is 8 by 1. We automatically got the answer as 8. So here there is no fraction, so there is no need for us to change the answer into a mixed fraction. So we are going to leave this as the answer. That's all for the chapter. Thank you students for being patient listeners. Thank you.